Myths, legends, and breathtaking landscapes await on this comprehensive UK and Ireland tour. Immerse yourself in the rich culture, explore castles, and visit historical attractions with passionate local guides leading the way to Stonehenge, Bath, Edinburgh, York, Cambridge, Stratford-upon-Avon, Stirling, the Cliffs of Moher, Scottish Highlands, Giant's Causeway, Ring of Kerry, Blarney Stone, Loch Ness, and beyond. Embark on a journey with Travel 195. Join us as we explore captivating destinations and exciting adventures. If you're new to our community, be sure to subscribe and enable notifications. Additionally, a fantastic opportunity awaits you. Click the link below to access Travel 195's free documentation guide, crafted to streamline your travel preparations. We consistently share travel tips, guides, and inspiration 2 to 3 times a week, providing valuable insights for your upcoming adventures. With a perfect blend of history, humor, and heartwarming moments, this journey ensures an unforgettable tapestry of memories in 2 of the most enchanting regions in the world. This journey encapsulates the allure of the UK and Ireland 13-day adventure. Let's start with Day 1, London, Stonehenge, Bath, Cardiff. Greetings, intrepid explorer! Our UK and Ireland journey kicks off in quirky London, leading to the enigmatic Stonehenge, a choice between deep exploration or marveling from a distance. In the picturesque city of Bath, your tour leader, possibly a bubble bath expert, guides you through Roman baths and landmarks. Crossing into Wales, a scenic Cardiff driving tour unfolds, with sheep as amusing backseat companions. Even explorers need their beauty sleep, prompting a night of sweet dreams. Cheers to whimsical adventures in the UK and Ireland, blending history with a touch of hilarity. Day 2, Stratford-upon-Avon, Liverpool. Following a hearty breakfast, journey to Stratford-upon-Avon, birthplace of William Shakespeare, boasting over 800 years of history. Subsequently, explore Liverpool, a renowned British port city steeped in cultural and football heritage. Home to Liverpool and Everton football clubs, as well as the Beatles, it offers delights for both sports and music enthusiasts. Enjoy a guided driving tour to spot iconic sites and have an evening of free exploration. Consider a visit to Matthew Street, housing the legendary Cavern Club, where the Beatles left an indelible mark on modern music. Please note, the latter part of the Liverpool driving tour is scheduled for the morning of Day 3. Day 3, Liverpool, Dublin. Explore more of Liverpool's iconic landmarks on a morning driving tour before embarking on a ferry journey across the Irish Sea to Dublin. En route to the ferry, make stops at Conway to admire its stunning castle and at the village boasting the longest name in Europe, Clonvaya Puthgwyn Guth Gugurathwan Dra Buth Lunta Sila a Guguguk. Then, it's onward to Dublin. Enjoy free time in this millennium-old city tonight, delving into its Viking history, medieval castles, and cathedrals. Uncover the city's turbulent past through its museums. Dublin offers ample entertainment in its vibrant expanse, yet it remains compact enough for easy exploration across town. Day 4, Dublin, Free Day. Savor a day of freedom in Dublin. Opt for the Whiskey and Guinness optional excursion, featuring a visit to the iconic Guinness storehouse for insights into crafting this famous dark beer. Alternatively, embark on the Ireland's Identity optional excursion to delve into the significant figures and events in Irish history. If you prefer independent exploration, venture to the National Museums of Ireland, stroll the South Wall, and explore the renowned St. Stephen's Green Park. Don't miss the chance to sample the diverse offerings in the city's pubs and eateries. In the evening, consider the optional traditional Irish music experience. A delightful blend of Irish cuisine, music, and dance awaits. It's an experience not to be overlooked. Day 5, Waterford, Blarney Castle, Killarney area. Bid farewell to Dublin as we journey onward to Waterford, Ireland's oldest city with roots dating back to Viking times in 914 AD. Boasting a captivating history and a prominent maritime legacy, Waterford is renowned for its exquisite cut crystal glass. Our next destination is the iconic Blarney Castle, where you'll have the opportunity to kiss the Blarney Stone, rumored to bestow the gift of the gab. Erected nearly 600 years ago by one of Ireland's notable chieftains, Blarney Castle stands as a prominent attraction. Departing from Blarney, we leave County Cork and enter County Kerry, heading towards our evening accommodation. Conclude the day with a delightful included dinner. Day 6. Ring of Kerry. Free day. Delight in a leisurely day exploring the Kerry region. Immerse yourself in incredible hiking trails, explore beautiful churches, or try your swing at the amazing golf courses. To witness the region's beauty in its entirety, opt for the Ring of Kerry day trip, an optional excursion that follows the famed circular tourist route in County Kerry. Revel in breathtaking coastal views and lush emerald green pastures, visiting charming villages like Kerry Bog Village. Take in the scenery of Killarney National Park during a relaxing, jaunting carriage ride, and conclude the day with free time in Killarney town. This excursion offers the ultimate experience of this iconic route. Day 7. Adair, Limerick, Cliffs of Moher, Galway. Prepare for another day of Irish scenery rivaling a leprechaun's pot of gold. Embarking on the wild Atlantic Way, our first stop is Adair, acclaimed as Ireland's prettiest village, competing with charming contenders. Journeying through Limerick, we'll reach the iconic Cliffs of Moher, over 200 meters above the frothing ocean, breathtaking on any day. Then to Galway, a vibrant city like a rainbow, renowned for oysters, live music, and a contemporary vibe. Dive into its charm during free time, soaking in Galway magic before our northward journey to the hotel. A day of scenic wonders and Irish whimsy awaits. Day 8. Derry, Londonderry, Giant's Causeway, Belfast. Following breakfast, we continue our journey to Northern Ireland with the initial stop in Derry, Londonderry. This vibrant city, Northern Ireland's second largest, boasts a rich tapestry of culture, art, and historic city walls. Our next destination is the renowned Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland's premier tourist attraction. Wrapping up the Irish segment of our adventure, we head to Belfast, the capital of Northern Ireland. Engage with a local guide for a combined driving and walking tour, exploring the city's prominent attractions and delving into its fascinating history. Conclude the day with a delightful included dinner shared with the group. Day 9. Belfast, Whiskey Distillery, Scottish Highlands. Indulge in some free time exploring Belfast this morning with the optional Titanic Belfast experience, offering insights into the ill-fated voyage of the Titanic. Our next adventure takes us to Scotland. Embark on a sea voyage across the Sea of Moyle to the land of whiskey, haggis, and tartan. Upon reaching the Scottish shores, we'll drive to the charming town of Ayr for a scenic photo shop. Then it's off to Glasgow for an authentic Scottish whiskey tasting and a tour of the Clydesdale distillery along the River Clyde. Finally, we make our way to tonight's accommodation in the picturesque Highlands, concluding the day with a delightful included dinner shared with the group. Day 10. Loch Ness, Edinburgh. Embark on a Highland adventure, immersing yourself in the renowned Scottish region. Capture the breathtaking beauty of Glen Coe with a picturesque photo stop before heading to the famous Loch Ness, believed to be the dwelling place of the legendary Loch Ness Monster, offering views of the Urquhart Castle ruins. Departing the Highlands, our journey leads us to Edinburgh, Scotland's captivating capital. Explore the city on foot with a guided walking tour, taking in iconic sites such as Holyrood House, the Royal Mile, and Edinburgh Castle. Delight in dinner before discovering that Edinburgh is not only rich in history, but also where J.K. Rowling penned the first Harry Potter novel, making it strangely familiar for fans of the series. Conclude the day with a delightful included dinner. Day 11. Edinburgh, free day. Today is yours to shape as you desire, whether you wish to retrace the highlights from yesterday's walking tour or embark on a personal exploration of the city. Engage in the rich history, culture, and intriguing spots with a Conquer the Capital optional excursion, led by your tour guide. This adventure includes ample time to immerse yourself in the fascinating Edinburgh Castle. If weather permits, consider ascending Arthur's Seat for panoramic views of the city below. In the evening, opt for the traditional Scottish dinner and show, featuring the opportunity to savor a taste of the famous, or infamous, traditional Scottish dish, haggis. The choice is yours to make the most of your day in Edinburgh. Day 12. Alnwick Castle, York, Yorkshire. Bid farewell to Scotland as you cross the border into England. opening the door to an opportunity to explore the renowned Alnwick Castle, residence of the Duke of Northumberland. This castle has graced the screens of numerous famous films and TV shows, including 2 Harry Potter films, Downton Abbey, and many more. Continuing our journey, we venture into Yorkshire and arrive in its county capital, York. This charming city boasts the largest Gothic cathedral in Northern Europe, York Minster, and is characterized by winding cobbled streets and medieval architecture. Join your tour leader for an orientation tour exploring the city's most iconic sites before retiring to our accommodation in Yorkshire for the night. Conclude the day with a final group dinner. Day 13. Cambridge, London. On the grand finale of your UK and Ireland tour, get ready for a delightful treat. Embark on a journey to the historic university town of Cambridge, where exquisite architecture, quirky traditions, and deep history await. The city has hosted a plethora of bright minds, from Charles Darwin to the legendary David Attenborough. Experience the whimsical side with a traditional punting trip along the charming River Cam. As we bid adieu to Cambridge, it's time to return to London, marking the end of our tour. Don't forget to swap contact details with your newfound travel buddies for future adventures. Share your tour tales online using the hashtags #ExpatExplore and #TravelMadePossible. After all, memories are best when shared, just like a good laugh. If the enticing lineup of the 13-day adventure in the UK and Ireland has piqued your interest and sparked a sense of curiosity, be sure to click the link in the description below to book this fabulous trip. Dive into our channel, where a treasure trove of captivating videos awaits your exploration. Just click on this link to embark on more thrilling adventures, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're eagerly looking forward to hearing about the unforgettable experiences you'll encounter, so please share them with us in the comments section. Your adventures are our delight.